Hello, third year. Hello. Welcome to the class. Today the class is a video. This is a video, okay? You have to watch the video and follow the instructions. Hay que mirar el video y seguir las instrucciones, como si estuviésemos en la clase online, pero en vez de que sea en vivo, vamos a hacerlo con este videito grabado, okay? How are you today? I'm fine. And you? Are you fine today? How do you feel? Good. Well, listen, these are the class activities you have to follow. Okay? Let's see. Look. Class activities. I show you. Okay? Follow the numbers. The activities have the numbers. Can you see? You have to follow the numbers. Number one is to write the date and the weather in your folders. Activity one, write the date and the weather. You have to open the link as we do in the online class. Choose the calendar and here you can choose the weather. Today is rainy. It was stormy. Or rainy. You decide, okay? Today's date is, and you choose the day of the week, the number, today is the 24th, and the month, it's April, okay? Then you copy this in your folders. Today's April the 24th, and you write the weather. It is rainy, or if you want, it is stormy weather. So you copy in your folders the date, April the 24th, and the weather. Today is stormy. And then you can draw. What is draw in English? Dibujar. You can draw it. Remember to copy this in your folders. Cópialo en tu carpeta, right? This is number one. Now, let's pass on to activity two. It's a vocabulary activity. Places in town. Remember? Do you remember the unit? Places in town from the book from Superminds. Unit 3, where we live, and all the places in town we learned. Let's revise them quickly. Can you repeat after me? Playground, cinema, swimming pool, park, hospital, bus stop, shop, street, cafe, train station. How many places in town? How many? 10. We have 10 places in town. Very good. So now it's time to have some practice. First, you open the link and the activity says listen and repeat. Listen and repeat. Okay? The activity is a video to practice the places in the town. To practice the in town, okay? You have to listen to the places in town and repeat, okay? School, library, museum, park, okay? You have to practice. When the video is over, when you finish the video, I have prepared a game for you. It's a game to revise vocabulary about the town. You open the link of the activity and you play the game. For example, look at the picture. You have to pay attention to the picture and decide, is it a hotel? Is it a cinema? Or is it a school? You choose the correct option. I choose B. For me, this is a cinema. You click. It's okay. Now you click on next, el próximo. Then you check the picture. Is it, more difficult. You have 4 options, not 3. You have 4 options now. Is it a hotel, a school, a church, una iglesia, or a cinema? For me, it's a hotel. Good. And you can continue playing. Okay, let's continue with the class activities. Let's pass on to 3. It's a story. To follow this story, there is a link with a video, but you also have the story on Superminds pages 38 and 39. These are the pages 38 and 39 from Superminds. So go and open your Superminds to follow the story. Great. Let's continue with the story from Superminds. You have to open the link to watch the story, The Tree on the Track. The title of the story is The Tree on the Track. What is a tree and what is a track? Do you remember the meaning of the word tree? Let's see. Yes, very good. This is a tree. But what is a track? This is a tree in English. And what is a track? What is a track in English? Can you imagine? Look at the pictures. Any idea? This is a track, en el camino. So the story is about a tree in the middle of a track. Remember to open the link to watch the story. Can you see? This is the story from Superminds and follow it with your book. Seguís la historia y puedes ir viendo el videito al mismo tiempo. When you finish the story, do activity number 2. Can you see activity 2 here? Can you see? Look, this is activity number 2. In this activity, you have to make sentences, hacer oraciones. The sentences must be in your folders, en tu carpeta. Look, the title is the story. The tree on the track. This is the title on your folders. Esto que está subrayado va a ser el título de la actividad en tu carpeta. Justito después de que escribiste el día y el clima. And you write sentences about the story. 5 sentences about the story. Okay, for example, Flash is next to the town. Do you remember the prepositions on, in, next to, and in front of? Let's revise. Use the prepositions to write sentences. Look, these are pictures of the prepositions. On, between, in, next to, and in front of, al frente de. So, in your folders, en tu carpeta, you write 5 sentences using the words from this column first, column number 1. Primero usas de la columna número 1 las palabritas. Then you use the prepositions in column number 2. Luego te pones a usar las preposiciones que están en la segunda columna. And then you use the last part, the third column. Y por último, usas las palabras que están en la tercera columna. Recuerda escribir todas estas oraciones que hagas mirando a los dibujitos, looking at the pictures of the story. Write the sentences in your folders. Las escribís en tu carpeta, pero no me las vas a mandar, ¿sí? Vas a dejarlas escritas en la carpeta y el miércoles cuando nos veamos en la clase online las vamos a compartir en la pizarra, todos juntos, para poder hacernos self-correction, autocorrección. Vamos a ir compartiendo las distintas oraciones que crearon los compañeros. And the last part of the class is a story for you. It's an audiobook. An audiobook is a book with sound that you have to listen and follow. Listen and follow the story. The title of the story is Papa is a Poet. Do you know what a poet is? Can you see the book? Poet. My dad is a poet, un poeta. Do you like poetry? Poesía? Okay, it's just to watch the story. En esta actividad no hay que hacer nada. Simplemente leer, relajarse y disfrutar de una linda historia. Well, 13, see you on Wednesday in the online class. Have a nice weekend. Take care and stay at home. Bye-bye.